My grandpa, he worked on a lot of lawnmowers and just he did a lot of repairs for people on the side, and I just would hand him tools every now and then. Everything he needed, I knew what every little tool was that he had. It was a big part of my life.
I would say the thing that inspired me the most, probably my dad. He's one of those guys that he's not going to call anybody to come fix something. He's going to try to fix it himself. That's where it stems from.
My dad is an IT for Texas Tech. He likes doing the repair, and I grew up around that too. So I just chose something that was best of both worlds and ended up being here.
What I do is basically repair machines. I mean, to put it simply, things come in, with a problem. Customers have an issue with their pieces of equipment, and it's my job to bring them in, figure out what's causing the issue, and then repair it in whatever way I see best fit.
If I need to do an engine swap or a transmission swap or down to a simple oil change, that's what we do, and we try to get the machines in and out effectively and efficiently as possible.
I think, again, is if you like working on stuff, if you've always been kind of like a tinkerer and you like messing with stuff, I think this is one of the best things to get into, It's very much what you put into it, so whatever you put into that job, that's what you're getting out of it. And it's just great to see that, your work is what's getting put out there.
The shop culture here is great. Everybody gets along. We treat each other here as just one big family. So to have that relationship with everybody here, it's a very nice environment.
I think Yellowhouse is an awesome employer. I mean, they have all the training for us. They have all the amazing people that are hired that helped me become who I am today. I mean, if it wasn't for Yellowhouse, I don't know where I would be right now.
It's a lot easier here to grasp things and to grow yourself just because you're supported. You feel so supported with everybody around you.
I think this is the best field for them because, I mean, it's a very good feeling that you get something done and that you didn't ever think that you would achieve.